A colleague asked me what the difference was between the two canisters that are available on the Veta 5. So this one is the CO2 absorber canister, and the other one at the back is used to scavenge the waste anesthetic gas using active charcoal. The CO2 absorber canister is included within the breathing circuit, but this is outside of the breathing circuit behind the pop-off valve, downstream from the pop-off valve. So because the CO2 absorber canister is within the breathing circuit, the patient is breathing through it. The patient will breathe in through the inspiratory hose, breathe out at the expiratory hose, right into the breathing bag. Then with the next breath, the patient will breathe through the CO2 absorber canister, carbon dioxide will be removed, and the patient will inhale carbon dioxide-free gas. So this system is designed to prevent CO2 rebreathing while using the breathing circuit. The waste anesthetic gas exits the machine here at the back, right at this port, called AGSS, which stands for Anesthetic Gas Scavenging System. Gas exiting here will be removed from the circuit, and the patient will not be able to inhale it anymore. If you leave it open without a scavenging system, the anesthetic vapor will pollute the room. It may be harmful for your health. It may cause headache, fatigue, nausea, and fainting. It should not be allowed. Hence, a proper scavenging system must be installed. Fortunately, every Veta machine that you purchase comes with this nice scavenging solution called Vetaguard. This is a canister containing active charcoal, which will absorb anesthetic vapor and let every other gas flow through it. This is a very convenient solution because it works from the moment you install your machine, right as you purchase, and it is mobile. You are not bound to the wall. You don't need any other hoses to limit your mobility. I do have some advices to you regarding the soda lime. So the soda lime changes color when it absorbs CO2, so you can monitor the proportion of it which is expired. So it can give you a guidance of when to exchange the soda lime. The soda lime is changing color, but the color change is not the same for every brand. Many times, very commonly, the fresh soda lime is white and it becomes purple after it expired. But this brand here is different. It has this pinkish color when it's completely new, and when it expires, it becomes white. So no matter what color it is, you need to know your own brand, and you need to know what color change is expected to happen. And when after 1/3 of the soda lime changed its color, you need to change the complete content of the soda lime. There is another thing what you might see, that only a part of the soda lime is expired, or it creates some weird maps inside. It means that the soda lime is not evenly used, but there are preferential channels where the gas likes to flow. That's called channeling. It means that the soda lime is not used in an ideal way. It should be prevented from happening. So this may happen if you pack down the soda lime too tight. Hence, there is a possibility that one side of the soda lime is more densely packed than the other, and the densely packed part will have a higher resistance, so the gas flow will avoid it. So you will have to do your best to gently and smoothly and evenly fill up the canister without any excess pressure, and leave some space on the top so that the gas can freely distribute and freely flow through every part of the soda lime canister. If the anesthesia machine is not used very often, the soda lime color may revert to its original color again, because the surface of the soda lime particles react with air. However, after a few breaths from the next patient, the color will suddenly turn back to the expired color, indicating the true state of the soda lime, which is expired in this case. To prevent this from happening, when you realize that the soda lime is expired, you need to discard it immediately. The most reliable way, however, is to use a capnograph for monitoring the expiration of your CO2 absorber. When the FI CO2 reaches 4 mm of mercury, the soda lime must be changed. I strongly believe that everyone using a mechanical ventilator for anesthesia, such as the Veta5, should have a capnograph to be able to ventilate correctly and avoid mishaps. My name is Dr. Tamás Ambrisko, and I'm a veterinary anesthesiologist. Thank you for watching.